Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lusambo. In today's video, I'm going to give you the top 6 winning products that you can start selling right now on your Shopify Dropshipping store or e-commerce website in general. If you want to learn more about this, stay with me and stick with me in this video today. One of the winning products that you can start selling right now on your Shopify Dropshipping store or e-commerce website is this product. It's called Magnetic List Band. This is a winning product because it simplifies people's work, especially the work related to construction and other related activities. So this item can be used to hold items that are used in construction, as you can see it here. So you can start selling right now. And another good thing about this product is that the rating is good. It's 4.8 out of 5. And what does it mean? This means that most of the buyers that have bought this product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So if you will start selling this product on your store, also you will generate a lot of sales because customers have already proved that the product is good. Now, the recommended price that I do recommend, you can sell this product from 10 to 14 US dollars, depending to your location and other related issues. So, in this 2020, consider selling this product. This also is a winning product because you are going to get so many sales, as you can see it here. Also, the price is affordable. You can start drop shipping even today because it only costs $2 US dollars 0.6. So it is affordable. You can start drop shipping right now. Next product that you can start selling right now is this product. It's called Adult Pajamas. You don't have to worry about the size of pajamas because pajamas usually are elastic. So they can fit almost anyone because they are elastic. So this one also is a winning product because most of the buyers who have bought this kind of product have been satisfied and rated 4.9 out of 5. What does it mean? This means that almost all buyers that have bought this kind of product, more than 2,000 have been satisfied with the quality of this product. The good thing about pajamas that I recommend you should sell that because you don't have to worry about size. They can fit most of the buyers, so you will get less returns or no returns at all. So this also is a winning product that you can start selling right now. Now, the kind of price that I suggest you to sell or I recommend is you can sell this kind of product from 15 US dollars to 20 US dollars, depending to the location and other related costs. Also, the good thing about another good thing about this product, another product that you can start selling right now on your store is this product. It's called cleaning sponge or sponge eraser or a sponge cleaner. This also is a winning product because it simplifies people's work, especially the kitchen related activities, because it helps those who are dealing with cleaning activities, especially kitchen tools, are really impressed with this kind of product. And we can verify by looking the kind of the reviews that the buyers have left. I mean that this kind of product is good because it simplifies their kitchen related activities. So if also you'll sell this kind of product, you are going to generate so many sales. Now, what is important is just to target the people who are really working on this category. Now, the best way to target, if you learn Facebook ads, target women because women often that are interested with this kind of products. So if you target women, you'll get so many sales. Now, the rating also of this kind of product is good, is 4.8, which is good. Also, this seller ships worldwide. So you can start drop shipping this kind of product wherever you are right now. Now, the recommended price that I do recommend you can sell this product from $7 to $9, depending to your location and other related costs. Another product is called Women Knitted Headband. This also is a winning product. This product has generated so many sales in the past few days in this store. What does it mean? This means that most of the buyers have been attracted and recommended this kind of product to other buyers. You know, women are very good at sharing the information when they find good products. So also, if you start and capitalize on this product, start selling on your store, you are going to generate so many sales. So it is easier also to generate sales because just find the Instagram page that is focusing on women, fashion related issues. Also, you are going to get so many sales because even the price is affordable, so most are going to afford buying this kind of product. So you can use Facebook ads or Instagram influencers or Pinterest to sell this kind of product. Still will generate so many sales. So don't undermine this kind of products. Women like unique things. It's the nature of human beings to like unique things. Even if they have other headband in the neighboring stores, but they want outstanding products, unique products. So don't worry about that. Start selling this kind of products. Target women, reach on Instagram influencers that are focusing on fashion and other. You can get so many sales from this kind of product. You can sell this product. It's called Magic Cleaning Gloves. This also is a winning product because it simplifies kitchen related work. Anything that simplifies people's work can be a winning product. And you can see here, this kind of product has got so many orders in the past few months. At the time of recording this video, it has got more than 10,000 orders up to this moment of recording this video. What does it mean? This means that majority are interested, that have seen this kind of product, were interested with this kind of product and they decided to buy. So also if you decide to sell this kind of product on your store, you will get so many sales because this also is a unique and outstanding product. People want different impressive products and the products that simplifies their daily activities. Now, the best way to sell this kind of product, you target women. You can contact influencers on Instagram or Twitter, especially those who are selling kitchenware. So you are going to generate so many sales if you start selling this product and target well the buyers of this product. You are going to get so many sales. So if you've been looking for a winning product, start selling this product in 2020. You are going to explode sales on your store. The price that I recommend, you can sell this product from $9 to $12, depending to your location and other related costs. As you can see here, also the rating is good, is 4.8. So majority who have bought this kind of product have rated 4.8, which is good. So you don't have to worry about the quality of this product. We need to sell products of high quality. So the product that you can start selling right now is this product. It's called Double Wall Stainless Steel Thermos. This also is a winning product because the buyers that have bought this kind of product have rated 4.9. This means that majority or almost all buyers who have bought this kind of product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. I always insist to sell the products of high quality. So if you sell the products of high quality, you can get repetitive customers. So if you want to get repetitive customers on your store, you need to sell products of high quality. This is among of the products that have high quality, as you can see the rating here. Now, the price that I recommend you to sell this kind of product you can sell up to 25 to 30 US dollars, depending on the location and other related costs. So this also is a good product, and the best way to promote this kind of product is to find Instagram influencers, especially those who are selling kitchenware. If you get an influencer with high number of followers, you are going to generate a lot of sales concerning this product. So this, if you have been